Okay, this is a look now at the ceiling. Everything is already covered but not finished yet. So still a lot of work. So today is gonna to paint again the ceiling at the top there, the ceiling. So I'm gonna to paint that white because yesterday I paint this different color, so that's don't have marks in it. He designed his own ceiling will be look like this one. That is the design, the ceiling. And here is the toilet. Here is hide behind. So much work to do that. And so okay guys, need to do work again. Need some more light. We can see it more. So we're gonna the thing there first on the side. This also. He want the toilet look like the hotel in Dubai, but we never been there. So Dubai means it's wow, super amazing. And check out Mata, what happened to this bathroom when it's ready. And you have to subscribe that you know the update for this bathroom. So see you next time. Okay, this is after 2 or 3 times already, but still you can see the marks there. So I have to stop because I have to pick up my kids from the school, and we'll continue later again. See you later. See you next time. Bye bye.